Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to insert header and footer in Excel. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Excel application. So I just want to open some books. So I have a lot of documents in that book. I just want to insert the header and footer in this Excel sheet. What I have to do here? So on top, you will find an option called menus. Just go to insert. Once you go to insert menu, you will have a plenty of options will be available. Just choose a text. Just hit the text button, you will get option called a text box and header and footer. So header and footer means while you take a print or while you take a document means it will be show what are the topic title and how many pages are there in the footer. Everything will be displayed over here. Just select the header and footer. Once you select the header and footer, automatically it will change into header and footer menu on your Excel. So this is header and footer. So you can have the page numbers and current date, current time, everything will be there. So I just give here, for example, I just want to give some important documents of my finance. So finance, I just give finance, and I just want to give some footer, or I just want to give some left and right alignment. I can give according to my need. So if I want to insert the footer, just scroll down, you will get option called footer. So you can have the footer also. So I just select here for the header and footer, just hit the button and just click a page number. Automatically page number will be added over here. Similarly, I can add a current time or date and everything. I can make it according to my needs. So what are the needs I have, so I can have access with this kind of header and footer. So while I finish this option, while I insert a header and footer, so once I just want to take a print or anything else, I just go to print preview to see about what are the type of printing, what are the designs are there in my header. Everything will be displayed on my print preview. So just go to print and you can see the preview of the printer. So just click here for the print preview, so you can able to identify so which area you want to take a print, as well as you can see the print preview. So it is a beautiful option while you create any other informations, any other documents, so you can check out whether you have the header and footer. So this is the header. So you want to insert the footer means you can insert the page number, you can insert the sheet number, and you can insert the confidential. So header has and footer has, so custom footer will be there. So you can choose here to give the footer option, for example confidential detail or any other informations. For example statement, for example statement I can give to that. So similarly date and time and less page number will be there. So header has the date, time or date, and footer has. So this is a beautiful option while you create a document, while you create an Excel sheet. You want to insert the header and footer to identify which documents you are going to produce to your clients. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. If you want to remove footer or header, just go to insert menu and choose header and footer option. Just click here for the header and footer. Once you go to header and footer, just delete this option. You finish your header and footer deleting option. Just go to view menu, and once you go to view menu, just select normal, means your header and footer will be removed from your document. If you like these tips, please share with your friends. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.